Manifest a special love relationship or a specific person or even your ex back using this secret formula. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring, alchemy success coaching to find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. Hey, how about our free audio? It helps you with abundance and happiness so that you have, the good things in life via your subconscious mind. And it's free. Just come and get it. That's all there is to it. Okay. Manifest a relationship with a specific person, somebody you're interested in. Maybe it's your ex, maybe it's somebody you haven't met. But using this secret formula, I think it's going to help you and help you tremendously. Now, let me preface this by saying the formula means nothing without the information to go with it. So the real question is, how do we manifest? How does manifesting really work, especially when it comes to attracting a love relationship, a marriage partner, a specific person, an ex back? How does it really work? More importantly, how can we attract somebody to want us, to love us, to crave us, to want nothing else in the world than to be with us? How can we do that? Is it possible? I believe it is. We've helped people all over the world in 60 different countries do exactly that. And here's the secret formula coming up. Neville Goddard says the following. Pay close attention. Things have no reality other than in consciousness. Therefore, get the consciousness first, and the thing is compelled to appear. In other words, don't focus out here on the individual. That becomes obsession. Focus on the kind of consciousness you need to get this individual, your specific person, your ex, your future lover, to come to you, to be drawn to you, to want nothing more than to be with you. So think about that. Consciousness, your thoughts, your ideas, your beliefs. It's about taking control. You must become the consciousness that draws this person to you. It's not about them. It's about your consciousness, your vibration, your energy. Most people say when he or she changes, then I'll feel good. When he calls me, oh, I'll feel good then. It's quite the opposite. It's exactly the opposite, high flyers. Change your inner reality and they will literally beg to be with you. Your specific person will change as you change. Okay, moving right along. Here's Neville again. Pay close attention. They are playing their part. They must do what they do because I have done what I did, having moved from one state of consciousness to another. High flyers, what in the hell is Neville saying here? Let's get really clear on this. They will do their part. He's talking about another person. They will do their part because I have done my part, because I have changed my consciousness. It's not literally about controlling another person, but it is, in essence, changing yourself because they are an aspect of you pushed out, another concept of Neville's. They are an aspect of you pushed out. And so as you change your inner consciousness, bam, they change their actions, reactions, and behavior towards you. Are you prepared to move to a state where your magnetism is nearly irresistible? Are you prepared to move to a different state of consciousness than you currently have right now and draw your loved one? Draw that specific person to you. Draw your ex, or maybe even draw somebody you haven't even met yet. Are you ready for that? Then the key is to change how you think, especially about yourself. Neville writes again, they have to act differently toward me. It's not they want to act or they will act or maybe someday they'll act. They have to. They're compelled to act differently toward you because you've changed your inner vibration. You've changed your inner consciousness, high flyers. The secret formula is to move your energetic focus from your specific person and return that focus to yourself where it belongs, where it will do the most good. Remember another sentence that Neville said, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. High flyers, everybody in the world wants something. It's not wanting more that will help you get what you desire. It's becoming, it's changing your consciousness. Manifesting your specific person is more about you becoming that energy that attracts your specific person than trying to convince them to behave differently or act differently toward you from a position of weakness and neediness. Now pay special attention. Here is the essence of the secret formula. We have only to concentrate on the state desired in order to mentally see it in our lives. But to give it reality so that it will become an objective fact, we must focus attention upon the invisible state until it has the feeling of reality. We must focus attention on the invisible state until it has the feeling of reality. Oh, high flyers, this is about you. This is about your consciousness. And your consciousness will help you get the love you deserve and desire in your life. Neville goes on to say, when through concentrated attention, our desires appear to possess the distinctness and feeling of reality, we have given it the right to become a visible, concrete fact. When through concentrated attention, not just daydreaming, concentrated attention, you are giving your desires the right to become concrete fact in your life. You will see it, you will touch it, you will feel it, you will hear it, because it will be part of your daily life. You will have the love you deserve and desire. So high flyers, here are 4 critical factors in the secret formula. Number 1, don't be deceived by the visible world. The world may tell you, no, it's not happening. Don't be deceived by that. Do not be deceived. It may look like all hell is broken loose, like nothing is going to work out, like everything is going in the wrong direction. Do not be deceived by that. For lack of a better term, you need to ignore the 3D reality. Every night and every morning, 10 minutes before bedtime, 10 minutes before you get out of bed, spend that time visualizing clearly in a compressed fashion. In other words, make it as intense as you possibly can. See it, feel it, touch it. The reality that you desire. The reality that you desire, but don't see it in the state of wanting it. See it in the state of, I already have it. If you will do that just twice a day, and then step number 3, detach. In other words, you do that in the morning, detach the rest of the afternoon. Fill up your day with activities. Be involved in a lot of different things, because I don't want you focusing from a state of want and need. That's not helping you change your consciousness. That's the secret formula. So the rest of the time, let it happen. Let it go. Detach, and it will happen. And number 4, gratitude every single day. Be grateful for all that you desire as if you have already received it, as if it's already yours. 4 easy steps in this secret formula that will have you with the love that you desire and the love that you deserve. If thou can believe, then all things are possible to the one who believes. Mark 9:23. High flyers, when you do your visualization before you get out of bed or before you fall asleep in the evening, visualize with belief as if it's already yours, as if you're already living it. Believe it so much that you're shocked when you get out of bed and it's not there, because it is there. You just can't see it yet, but it will show up in your life if your belief is strong enough and your visualization is intense enough. See the details, feel them, emotionalize them. This is the secret formula of the law of assumption, the wish fulfilled. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.